Guys, let's know about a simplified AI tool. Simplified AI tool where you can use for the content, and you can generate a content and market a content. Here multiple types of uh, AI platform: AI workflow, AI design, AI writer, AI video, social media management platform, AI chatbot. Even link here through new bio, AI project management, and lots of AI tool you can use for your digital marketing platform to grow your business and online visibility as well. We explored here. You can see that AI tool, multiple AI tool here. You can see carousel generator. You can easily generate a carousel from this platform, and face. You can make a faceless video simply through this platform, and also shorts you can make here. You can see that. You can also make a design and generate a design. Lots of design here you can generate, and you can perform through for the design. You can do the. Also, you can make money from this platform. Simply, you join a affiliate program, and after that, generated link, make a marketing, and after that, you can earn money from this platform. Now you understand how to use a simplified AI tool.